So, the world ended. Not great. One minute you're paying bills and pretending to understand taxes. The next minute, civilization is a smoking crater, and someone named Rusty is trading canned beans for batteries. But don't panic. Humans are weirdly difficult to wipe out. Step 1. If you see a giant flash outside your window brighter than your future, do not stand there looking at it. That's not fireworks. That's consequences. Get inside immediately. Basements are best. Concrete buildings are good. The middle of large buildings works too. Basically, pretend you're hiding from the world's angriest sunburn. Next, radiation. Tiny, invisible, spicy dust. Very rude. Avoid it. Take off outer clothing if exposed. Wash with soap and water. And for the love of humanity, do not use conditioner in your hair. Apparently, radiation sticks to it, which is somehow the worst shampoo commercial imaginable. Now let's talk supplies. You need water, food, medicine, flashlights, batteries, and enough snacks to emotionally survive listening to your survival group argue for 6 straight hours. Canned food becomes currency now. Congratulations, soup is Bitcoin. Also, avoid unnecessary travel. Every apocalypse movie has one guy saying, "We should go investigate that abandoned military facility." No, that man dies first. Stay informed using radios or emergency alerts if possible. And remember, social media during disasters becomes 2% useful information and 98% people yelling nonsense. Bro, I heard the mutant raccoons are armed. Ignore Chad. Now here's the important part. People survive disasters together, share skills, stay calm, help others. The real apocalypse isn't explosions. It's running out of toilet paper and patience at the same time. And finally, keep your sense of humor. Because if the planet is falling apart and you're still capable of laughing at a guy wearing 6 wristwatches because he thinks it protects against radiation, humanity still has a chance. Good luck out there, and remember, if someone in the wasteland says, "Trust me, this glowing liquid is probably safe," it is not.